Today, I want to talk to you about how to access ArcGIS Pro license for free. So the first one is trial version. You can sign up and download a free 3 weeks license. Go to this website and click sign up. After that, you provide your name, emails, company, organizations, and these details. You'll be able to download and install and then use. The second one, which is more sustainable and which is long-term, is create your account. You can directly go to Esri login. On this page, click sign in and you create your account. If you already have your account, like public account, you can use login. And after you log in, you can sign up for the Esri's MOOC courses, massive open online courses. If you register one of the MOOC courses, then you will get free access to ArcGIS Pro. They will provide you your username and password, and then you can use that username and password to sign in your ArcGIS Pro. I suggest you apply this strategy because MOOC are designed for learning opportunities. So how can you do that? Click your profile here, go to training. This window appears and there are already announcements. Here you can see now open special data science MOOC. You could register and join. Also, you could search in Google Esri's MOOC courses and dates for 2025. And here you can see different MOOC cartography. This is very basic. If you are starting for the first time, I highly suggest you take this cartography. And if you want to learn more, there are other courses. And here you see this third ArcGIS imagery that opens October 22nd. So generally these courses are 6 weeks long. So you'll get 6 weeks free access to ArcGIS Pro. And here is another in January, going places with the spatial analysis. In February, there's another one. In April, there's another one. So utilize this opportunity that Esri is providing to the public. I really want to thank Esri for these MOOC courses. These are not only giving access to the ArcGIS Pro software, but these courses are also enhancing the capacity. Let's get started. Here, these are the 2 easy options you can use. Either you try the 21-day free trial or you get access through registering MOOCs. Choice is yours.